Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 11th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 8883. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between the O's, an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O is an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Alright. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Well, yeah. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes will be a 1. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Yes, until then, bye-bye for now.